Welcome to the great expanse of the ocean, a world filled with mysteries and wonders that baffle scientists and explorers alike. Our journey takes us from the light-flickering abyssal zone, over submarine volcanoes and through the silent world beneath the waves. We'll uncover rare species, venture into the Mariana Trench, explore submarine ponds, traverse mid-ocean ridges, and marvel at hydrothermal vents. We'll even dip into ocean floor pools and scale underwater mountains. So brace yourself as we dive deep into the secrets of the ocean. In the deepest parts of the Earth's oceans, the abyssal zone hosts creatures with unique adaptations. Imagine a world where sunlight never reaches, a world of extreme pressure and chilling temperatures. This is the abyssal zone, a realm of the deep sea that stretches from 2,000 to 6,000 meters below the ocean surface. Yet, life thrives here, with organisms exhibiting remarkable adaptations. Creatures of the abyssal zone are a testament to life's resilience and ingenuity. Many of them are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce and emit light. In the pitch-black depths, this ability serves multiple purposes, from attracting prey, to warding off predators, to communicating with potential mates. Such creatures include the anglerfish, with its eerie glowing lure, and the vampire squid, which releases bioluminescent mucus when threatened. These are just a few examples of the myriad of life forms that have adapted to the harsh conditions of the abyssal zone. These creatures illuminate the darkness of the abyss with their bioluminescence, a testament to life's resilience. Beneath the ocean surface, submarine volcanoes silently shape the Earth's crust. These fiery formations are more than just underwater mountains spewing molten rock. They're crucial players in the formation of new oceanic crust. But how do they form? Tectonic activity is the answer. When Earth's enormous slabs, known as tectonic plates, move, they create gaps in the ocean floor. These gaps become the birthplaces of submarine volcanoes. Magma from the Earth's mantle rises through these gaps, cools down when it meets the seawater, and solidifies, forming new crust. This process, happening over thousands, perhaps millions of years, gives rise to the rugged, mountainous terrain of our ocean floors. And that's not all. These underwater volcanic activities, given enough time and the right conditions, can lead to something even more astonishing. They can create new landforms, rising above the ocean surface. Over time, these volcanic activities can even lead to the birth of new islands. In the depths beneath the ocean surface, a unique soundscape unfolds. Here, in this vast expanse of water, sound behaves in a peculiar way. Unlike in our familiar atmosphere, sound underwater travels faster and over longer distances. This is due to the density of water, which is significantly greater than that of air. Imagine, if you will, the underwater world as a grand concert hall, where the music of marine life plays on a continuous loop. This silent world, as it is aptly named, is not void of sound but rather teeming with it. The calls of whales, the clicks of dolphins, the crackle of shrimps, all amplified, reverberating through the water. For marine creatures, this unique acoustical environment serves as a conduit for communication, navigation, and hunting. It's a critical part of their survival. This silent world resonates with the echoes of marine life, a symphony unheard by human ears. The ocean depths are home to many species that remain a mystery to scientists. These enigmatic creatures, adapted to survive in harsh conditions, are a testament to the versatility of life on Earth. Some species, like the ghostly Dumbo octopus or the elusive giant squid, have captivated our curiosity while remaining largely unknown. Meanwhile, other creatures seem to defy nature itself. Take the anglerfish, for instance, with its bioluminescent lure, or the goblin shark, with its bizarre, protruding jaw. These creatures wouldn't seem out of place in a science fiction novel, yet they are as real as you and me. But perhaps even more fascinating is the potential for undiscovered life forms. The deep sea is the Earth's largest unexplored frontier. Who knows what strange and wonderful creatures are yet to be discovered in the inky depths below? The ocean continues to surprise us with its rich biodiversity and the potential for new discoveries. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, hosts life in extreme conditions. Plunging to a staggering 11,000 meters, it's a realm of perpetual darkness, bone-crushing pressures, and icy temperatures. Yet it's not devoid of life. In fact, it's teeming with it. Organisms here have evolved in remarkable ways to survive these harsh conditions. Some creatures, like the fangtooth fish, have developed oversized teeth and hinged jaws, enabling them to seize and devour any prey that comes their way. Others, like the Dumbo octopus, have adapted to the intense pressure by having a soft, gelatinous body. Bioluminescence, a fascinating phenomenon where organisms produce light through a chemical reaction, is another common adaptation. This not only helps in attracting prey, but also serves as a defense mechanism against predators. These adaptations, among others, underscore the tenacity of life, its resilience, and its ability to thrive in even the most extreme environments. In the depths of the Mariana Trench, life thrives against all odds. Scattered across the ocean floor, submarine ponds host unique ecosystems. These intriguing formations are like hidden gems, nestled in the depths of the sea. Just imagine ponds within a vast ocean, each one a world of its own. These submarine ponds are formed by layers of dense brine that settle into depressions on the ocean floor. The surrounding seawater and the brine don't mix due to the difference in their densities. Thus, these ponds are isolated from the external environment, creating a unique habitat for life. Life in these ponds thrives in the most extreme conditions, with some species never seen anywhere else on Earth. The organisms here have adapted to survive and flourish in these isolated environments, making them a fascinating subject for scientific research. In the grand scheme of the ocean's vastness, these submarine ponds are a drop in the ocean, yet they are a testament to the range of ecological diversity that our oceans can support. These underwater ponds, isolated and unique, are a testament to the ocean's diverse habitats. Stretching across the ocean floor, the mid-ocean ridges are a hotbed of geological activity. This impressive network of underwater mountains spans the globe, creating a continuous chain that is more than 65,000 kilometers long. It's here that the Earth's tectonic plates drift apart, forming a gap from which magma rises to the surface. This magma then cools and solidifies, giving birth to new oceanic crust. Mid-ocean ridges are not just geological wonders but also biological ones. The heat from the magma creates hydrothermal vents which spew out mineral-rich water. This hot, nutrient-laden environment is the perfect breeding ground for unique ecosystems, with organisms that have adapted to thrive in these extreme conditions. The constant creation and destruction of the crust at mid-ocean ridges is a testament to our planet's dynamic nature. This process, known as seafloor spreading, is a key element in plate tectonics, the theory explaining how the Earth's surface is shaped and reshaped over time. At these ridges, the Earth's crust is continually reshaped, a silent dance of tectonic plates. On the ocean floor, hydrothermal vents gush hot, mineral-rich water supporting unique microbial communities. This surreal phenomenon occurs when seawater permeates the oceanic crust, heats up due to the underlying magma, and then spews out through these vents. The water discharged is a cocktail of minerals, including iron, copper, and zinc, creating an environment that's a hotbed for life. Now you might be wondering, what kind of life could possibly thrive in such extreme conditions? Well, the answer is quite astounding. These vents nourish a wide array of organisms, ranging from heat-loving bacteria to large tube worms, that have adapted to the intense heat and high pressure. These organisms form the basis of a unique food chain, independent of sunlight. The bacteria convert the minerals into organic matter through a process called chemosynthesis, providing sustenance for other vent dwellers. And that's the wonder of hydrothermal vents. These vents, teeming with life, are a testament to life's ability to adapt and thrive. Deep beneath the waves, the ocean floor is a landscape of mountains and pools. Here, gravity currents carve out deep-sea pools, creating isolated pockets of water with unique conditions and ecosystems. These pools, like hidden gems in the vast underwater expanse, can host life forms that thrive in their distinct environments. Meanwhile, the underwater mountains, though not as grand as their terrestrial counterparts, are no less wondrous. They form along the mid-ocean ridges, where tectonic plates converge or diverge, allowing magma to rise and create new oceanic crust. These underwater mountains, also known as seamounts, punctuate the ocean floor, creating a complex topography that rivals the diversity of landscapes on land. Just as on land, these underwater mountains and pools play crucial roles in the planet's biodiversity, hosting a myriad of marine life and contributing significantly to the overall health of our oceans. From towering underwater mountains to deep-sea pools, the ocean floor is a terrain as varied as any on land. From the abyssal zone to the peaks of underwater mountains, the ocean is a world of mystery and wonder. We've journeyed through the eerily silent world, marveled at the glow of submarine volcanoes, and glimpsed rare species unseen anywhere else. We've plumbed the depths of the Mariana Trench, discovered isolated submarine ponds, and surveyed the continually changing landscape of mid-ocean ridges. Along the way, we've encountered hydrothermal vents and deep-sea pools, a testament to the ocean's ever-changing geography. As we continue to explore these depths, who knows what other secrets the ocean holds for us to discover?